what I'm doing here now is what I do on every long distance trip that I do. Okay, so I've got this. This is a squeeze bottle of my Chain-Saver wax-based chain lube. Okay, so at the end of every day, 500 miles, I do this. How hard is this? So every 500 miles, I lubricate my chain. So before I left on this ride, I lubricated the chain. And you can see, I just lubricated it again after finishing 460 miles. So, because it's good, it's wax-based, it's going to be good for tomorrow. So, ready to go tomorrow, the next 500-mile day tomorrow, and this chain is good to go. That's as long as it takes, 2 minutes. I put the bike on the center stand overnight, and I put the cover on. So now I'm going to put the cover on, put the bike to bed, and that's it. No biggie.